movement. So this chapter, and if you remember, in 2017, the government has celebrated the century, 100 years of what? Of Champaran episode, of the events of the Champaran. Right, beta? Say, Louis Fisher, is it? He was born in 1896 and died in 1970. He was born in Philippidia. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 between 1980 and 1920. Fisher made a career as a journalist and wrote for the New York Times, the Saturday Review, and for the European and for the Asian publication. He was the member of the faculty at the Princeton University. The following is an expert from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed one of the best book ever written on Gandhi by Times Educational Supplement. See, remember, this is a biography, right? That is written by the Louis Fisher. But Gandhiji has narrated the story to Louis, is it? When I first visited Gandhi, it is I refers to here to the author. Visited Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India. He said, he said, I will tell you, here I is Mahatma Gandhi himself, tell you how it happened that he decided to urge the departure of the British, decided to compel the departure of the British. Urge can have here compel or made the departure of the British. It is a textual meaning. And now he is narrating the story of what beta and how it happened. It was 1917. He had gone to December 1916 annual convention of Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. He had gone in December 1916 to attend annual conference. Convention means conference of Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. Is it clear? Right, beta? There and see where he has gone to attend the national conference of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. See, it now they have given the name of the Indian National Congress, but previously it was somewhat different, right, beta? It was say, and what had happened? He had gone. Yes, who is asking the question? No, he had gone to the December 1916 annual conference of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There, and he tells me further added, Gandhiji further added that there were 2,301 delegates and many visitors, those who have come there to attend the annual conference of the Indian National Congress. During the proceedings means activities. Gandhi recounted means remembered. A peasant came to him. Peasant, a villager came to him, looking like any other peasant or villager in India. Poor and emaciated means very thin, and said, and he introduced himself that he was Rajkumar Shukla and he was from Champaran. And what he wanted from the Gandhiji, he wanted him to come to his district. Gandhiji has never heard the name of the place, and it was in the foothills of the high Himalayas, means on the plains of the high Himalayas, near the kingdom of Nepal. Is it clear? Voice clearly audible? Right. And now go through it. See any doubt, any word meaning that you have not understand? Everything is clear to everyone? under ancient arrangements, agreements, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. What do you mean by sharecroppers? Say it happens in the villages now. It still exists in the villages that there are big landlords, right, beta, and they give their land where to the small peasants to how to cultivate and harvest, and there is a condition of sharecropping. See, whatever the harvest will be there, they will share among them. Secondly, the expenses are also being shared by both of them. Is it? The sharecropper is what, beta? Those who are the tenants who take the lands from the big landlords and cultivate and harvest. Is it clear? Under ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. He was illiterate, but resolute means determined, firm. Is it? He had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar. Why he has come there? Because the Congress at that time was what advocate whom help the poor people, or you can say they help, they advocate, they support the right of the people, and that's is it. That's why whenever the people were in trouble, they come and complain to the Congress. Is it? And somebody had probably told him, speak to Gandhi. Gandhi told Shukla that he had an appointment in Kanpur, Kanpur nowadays it is there, is it? And was also, and say, and was also committed to go to the other parts of the India. Shukla accompanied him everywhere. Then Gandhi, see, Shukla followed Gandhi everywhere, wherever Gandhi went. Is it? Then Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad, and Shukla followed him to the ashram. For weeks, he never left Gandhi's side, and he told Gandhi to fix a date when he will come where? He must tell him the date when he will come to Champaran. Gandhiji was very much impressed by the firmness, determination. Tenacity means determination of that sharecropper. Yeah, sharecroppers refers to Rajkumar Shukla. And the story that the Rajkumar Shukla has told to Gandhiji. He said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such date. Come and meet me and take me from there. He told Gandhi that he was going to visit Calcutta on a particular date, and he asked Rajkumar Shukla to come there, to come Calcutta and meet him and take him from there to Champaran. Month passed, right? Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the on, at the appointed spot in Calcutta when Gandhi arrived. They boarded at Gandhiji. What happened, beta? Gandhiji. What happened, beta? That Gandhiji, he went there and he sat there where the Gandhiji arrived. He waited till the Gandhi was free, till the Gandhi has completed his own work. Then both of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. From there, from Calcutta, took a train where to go to Patna. There Shukla took him to the house of the lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, is it? Who later became the president of the Congress. and he who become the president of the Congress, and later on he had become what? The president of the first president of the country. Right? Rajendra Prasad was out of town. Two or three lines have been missed here. Right, beta? But the servants knew Shukla that he was a poor farmer. Yeoman means farmer. Right, beta? Who pestered. Pesters means troubled. Whom? To their master. Your master refers to Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the lawyer, and later who became the president of the country too, to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him. So what happened? They refers to the servants. They let him stay on the grounds, and with his companion. Who was the companion with that Rajkumar Shukla? He was Gandhiji himself. Right, Gandhi, whom they took. What, beta? Gandhiji, whom they took, another peasant, another villager, but Gandhi was not permitted. What? Was not permitted to draw the well, to draw the water from the well. So that less means so that not. Less means so that not. What? That some drop from the bucket may fall into the well and pollute the entire source of water. Why so? Because they were not sure whether Gandhi was of upper caste or untouchable. Is it? How did they how did they know that he was not an untouchable? They were not. It was why the servant did not allow the Gandhi to draw water from the well, because they were not sure. They did not know whether Gandhi was from a upper caste or a lower caste. At that time, what had happened, beta, nowadays there is no untouchability. But in the ancient time, there was a untouchability, and the people keep, there was a distance between one caste, between the upper and the lower caste. Is it? Congress party and of Congress party. Say, what happened? Rajendra Prasad was out of the town, but the servant knew. Gandhiji then decided to go to Muzaffarpur, which was en route in the way of Champaran, to obtain more complete information about the conditions, about the problem that Shukla was not capable to give. Muzaff- he accordingly sent a telegram. Imparting means give. Right, beta? He accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, whom he had seen and where he has met him. Met him at Tagore's Shanti Niketan school. You know, Tagore Shanti Niketan. It was been established by whom? By Rabindranath Tagore. The train arrived there, where? At Muzaffarpur at midnight on 15th April 1970. Kriplani was waiting at the station with a large body of the students, with a large mass of the students. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani. Remember, Gandhiji has especially mentioned the name of Professor Malkani. Why? You must now see that that time it was very difficult for the Indians to support someone who was advocating the home rule or who was advocating for independence. The train, say, a teacher in the government school, and he says it was very unusual things in those days. Gandhiji commented for a government professor to shelter, harbor means shelter, a man like him. In smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show their sympathy to whom? Those who advocates of home rule. Home rule means independence. The Indians should get the right to rule over them. The news of Gandhi advent, arrival, right, beta? the news of arrive Gandhi arrival, right? Is it? Advent means arrival, and the nature, the farm, and the nature of his mission spread very quickly. The news of why the Gandhi has arrived. This message was conveyed very quickly where or spread very quickly where in the Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot and by whatever convenience they get to see their champion, to meet Gandhi, to see Gandhi. Now go through it and see if you have any doubt, any difficulty, you can ask me again. It is not mere reading or explanation. You must have a better understanding of the chapter. Any question? Any question? No? Shall I continue? Good, very good. My children are very good and very intelligent too. Say, and what happened? The lawyers of the Muzaffarpur came to meet Gandhi. Called on Gandhi means came to meet Gandhi to brief him, to tell him about the share problems of the share cropping. They sharecroppers. They frequently represented the villagers group in courts. They led the peasant groups in court. They told Gandhiji about the cases and reported how much fees do they take from the peasants. The size of their fees means how much amount they took from the peasants to represent them. Where in the court? Gandhiji chided means scolded the lawyers for collecting such a big fee from the sharecroppers, that they were charging a huge amount from the sharecroppers. He said, I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to the law courts. He said that he has came to the conclusion that they should stop going to the law court. Why so? Because taking such cases to the courts does little good. Does does little good. Little good means little. Whenever the little has been used without a and the, it has negative meaning. Hardly any good. Whenever the little has been used without a or the, it always have a negative meaning. No, not. Is it better? Hardly any banner. Hardly. What does it mean here? Hardly any good. Whereas where the peasants are so much crushed and fear stricken. Right, beta? Why? The peasants were what, beta? They were they were what, beta? They were very much afraid. And what we call oppressed. Is it, beta? Crushed means they are oppressed and fear stricken, so much afraid. He further added law courts are useless because at that time they say this people, the landlords, were the British landlords. They were the owner of the big farms, and the courts were represented by the judges were who they were Britishers. So always they think or what better they do something good in the favor of Britishers. They do not listen what were the problems of Indians. So the real relief, if you really want to get the relief, to whom? For the peasants, then we have to make them free from the fear of the Britishers. Most of the arable means cultivated land in the Champaran district was divided into large estates, into large fields, into large farms, and the owners owned by the Englishmen, owned by the Englishmen, and worked by the Indian teenagers. What was there? Who has taken their teenagers were there? The Indians were the teenagers. They have taken the land from them on rent, and they have to pay the money. Here is a dispute. Is it? The chief commercial crop was indigo. You know indigo? It's a blue. Yes, right, good, better. And previously it was being cultivated. It was a crop, right? And it has a very great cost because up to that the synthetic indigo was not being invented. Nowadays
Yeah.
that we are using the indigo we are using is synthetic, but at that time it was a
Yeah.
yes. Who is there?
Tenants means.
Tenants, better those who take. See, if you are living in a house on rent, you are a tenant. If somebody takes something in rent, he is the tenant of that thing. Is it better? The owner is someone
Okay.
different. किराएदार जिसको बोलते हैं किराए पे लेना बेटा. Is it clear? Yes. Who has? Is it clear to everyone? Right, better. They have taken the land from the brave British Englishmen, right, beta, on land, and then they what happened? Then they cultivate the land, and whenever the harvest was been cultivated, they have to pay a certain amount to the English men who were the owners of those farms. Is it? And see, here it is the problem is of indigo. Why the chapter has given the indigo? Why the dispute has aroused and why the Gandhi reached here to Champaran and how the Indian independence get a new way, a new form. Is it? Say, the landlords compelled all the tenants to plant 3/20th or 15% of the holding with indigo. What they compelled the tenants that whatever they have taken the land from them on rent, they have to cultivate indigo at least 50 in 15% of that land, and then surrender the entire indigo harvest crop to them as rent. And this was done in a long term contract. Presently, the landlords learned that Germany had developed synthetic indigo at that time, right, beta? You know, artificial indigo, is it? Thereupon, obtained agreement from the sharecroppers. Then they asked the sharecroppers, they have taken the agreements from the sharecroppers that they will pay them compensation because they were going to relieve them from 15% of arrangement. What 15% of arrangement is referred here? It is referred that what that land, that what that 15% in which they have to harvest which one beta, which crop? Indigo, is it beta? And then they have to surrender the entire crop as a rent. So they have asked to pay them compensation. They have made a new agreement, right, beta? That they are going to relieve them from the arrangement from the agreement of the 15%. The sharecropping arrangement was exam. Exam means troublesome to the villagers, to the farmers. Many have signed willingly on those agreements, on those arrangements. And those who opposed, resisted with opposed. engaged lawyers. They took the help of the lawyers. And the landlords hired thugs. Thugs here refers to criminals. Meanwhile, the information about the synthetic indigo reached to these illiterate farmers of villagers who had signed on the agreement that they will pay the compensation for being relieved from the 15% arrangement. And they wanted their money back. And now they demanded the Englishmen, the landowners, to return their money. At this point, Gandhiji arrived in Champaran. He began by trying to get the facts. Right, beta? He first visited to the secretary of the British Landlords Association. Is it? And the secretary told him that that they could not give no information to an outsider because they feel the Gandhi was outsider at Champaran. And the Gandhi answered that he was no outsider because he was Indian and the Champaran was the part of India. Next, Gandhi called on the British officials, commissioner to Terhut division. He went to meet with the British commissioner of the Terhut division in which the Champaran district lay, in which there was the Champaran district. The commissioner Gandhiji reports proceeded to bully him, to threat him, and advised him forthwith to leave Terhut. Forthwith means immediately. To leave immediately, instantly. To leave what? Terhut. Gandhiji did not leave. Instead, he proceeded to Motihari, the capital of Champaran. Several lawyers accompanied him. At the railway station, a vast multitude greeted Gandhiji. He went to a house using he went to a house using it as headquarters and continued his investigations. What kind of investigations? To get more information about the problem of the indigo sharecroppers. The facts. Is it? Now go through it and see and it out. Yes, Aranya, go once. I know my child is very good, but once you may see if you find any difficulty. Is it clear? Right, good, beta. A report came in that a peasant was being badly treated. Maltreated means badly treated in the nearby village. Gandhiji decided to go and meet him, see him. The next morning he started out. He started out means he began his journey uh, on the back of an elephant. He had not proceeded far. He has not gone far when the police superintendent's messenger overtook him and ordered him to return to town in his carriage. And he ordered Gandhi to come to return to the town in his carriage. Gandhiji followed him, obeyed him. The messenger drove Gandhi home, where he served him with an official notice. What was the matter of the notice? To leave Champaran immediately. Quit means leave. Right, beta? Gandhiji signed a receipt for the notice and wrote on it that he would disobey the order. See, from here, what happened? Which incident occurred here? Which movement started from here? Civil disobedience movement. Because first time he refused that he will not cooperate. Is it? Right, beta? The messenger drove Gandhi. In consequence, he wrote C and Gandhi signed a receipt for the notice and wrote on it that he would disobey the order. And in consequence, Gandhiji received a summon to appear in the court next day. He was ordered to appear in the court next day. All night, Gandhiji remained awake. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with his influent friends, with his right beta who have a very much influence on the where friends. He sent instructions to the ashram, and then he sent instructions to the ashram. Our ashram refers to which ashram? Ashram at Sevagram. Ashram Gandhiji Ashram at Gandhinagar, Sevagram. Is it? He in his he sent a telegram, a full report to Viceroy. Morning found, right, beta? Morning, in the morning, what happened? The town of Motihari was black with peasants, means everywhere the peasants were there. And see, Bihar is somewhat the color of the Biharis are what? Black. Is it? They have a bit, what beta? It is due to the climate, right, beta? And it was there everywhere. It was there. Motihari was black with the peasants. Is it? They did not know Gandhi record in South Africa. Is it? And they did not know what was the Gandhi record of South Africa. Do you know that? What was the Gandhi's record of South Africa? What was that? It was what, beta? That he has fought against the racial discrimination in South Africa. Is it? And he won there. Because Gandhiji was thrown out from this first class carriage by a traveling ticket inspector because he was black and he was traveling there with the whites. White. Is it South Africans? They didn't say, they had merely only heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them refers to the what beta? Set straight, Aditya and Ananya. They, they have heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble. And with the authorities means the authorities were troubling him. There was a natural, there spontaneous demonstration. Spontaneous means the natural demonstration, and demonstration. What demonstration means, better to demonstrate. They demonstrate. They oppose, right, better. They oppose what in favor of Gandhi in thousands, and spontaneous means natural. Around the courthouse. That was the beginning of their liberation, their freedom from fear of the British. That shows that when they have demonstrated, when they have opposed the British, what the Britishers, right, beta, the arrest of the Gandhi, and they have demonstrate, they have opposed the Britishers. That Gandhiji says that was the liberation, the freedom from the fear of the British. British was very brutal because nobody was there. They have a great rights and nobody was there to hear. They can and they treat Indians very brutally. Is it? So the officials felt powerless and without cooperation, uh, he- without Gandhi cooperation, without the help of Gandhiji, they were helpless. Who? The British officials. Gandhiji helped them to regulate the crowd. Regulate means to control the crowd. He was polite and friendly. He was giving a concrete proof, a solid proof, evidence that their might means strength. Whose strength? The strength of the Britishers. Up to now, dreaded. Hitherto means up to now. dreaded, the people were afraid, and that strength was, the people were afraid of that strength, and their strength was unquestioned, could be challenged by the Indians. That could also be challenged by the Indians. What could be challenged? The strength of the Britishers. Right, Peter? Is it? Because up to now it was unquestioned. Is it? The government get confused. Baffled means confused. The prosecutor is what, Beta? The government advocate. The advocate, the government appoints an advocate who fight in the favor of the government. Is it? Who put the side of the government in the court. The requested the judge to postpone the trial. Trial means the hearing of the court, the proceedings of the court. Apparently, clearly, the authorities wish to consult, and now the authorities want to consult with the high authorities. Gandhiji protested. He protested what? Against the delay that they were doing. Is it? He read a statement and pleading guilty that he was involved. He told the court in the conflict of duties. What was the conflict of duties? Well, here it is there. On one hand, he did not want to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. On the other hand, he wants to give what? A service, humanitarian and national service. Humanitarian and national service for which he had come. He disregarded the order to leave, not because he did not want, not because he did not want to obey the lawful authority, but he wants to obey the higher law of ourself, the voice of our conscience. The conscience means the voice, inner voice of ourself. He asked the penalty. He asked the penalty due, penalty, the punishment that was pending for him. The magistrate announced that he would announce the sentence. Sentence means punishment after 2 hours interval, lunch hours, recess. And Gandhiji asked to furnish, to give a bail for 120 minutes. You know bail? It is that somebody shows that if that the man, the guilty, will come back, and he took the responsibility of that. It happens in the courts, Peter. And courts. Is that clear? Voice audible? Very clear? Right. And now go through it. See that the judge released him without the bail, him without bail. Now go through it and see if any doubt anywhere. You can ask me again. वॉइस क्यों नहीं क्लियर है? बिल्कुल साफ तो बोल लो।
Sir,
Yes, beta.
so conflict of duties means
See, there were two things. Two confliction means no oppositions of the duties. Why so? Because on one hand, he did not want to, what beta, set an example that he was a lawbreaker. Is it? On the second hand, he has to serve his country. So there was a conflict between his both duties. Right, beta? He has to serve,
yes,
he
sir.
has to, what beta? He has to give the service to his own nation. Is it?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understand me, Kunal? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Voice is audible, very
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Right, better. The magistrate announced that he would pronounce the sentence after 2 hours lunch, and Gandhiji asked to give bail for 120 minutes. Gandhiji refused. The judge released him without bail. When the court restarted, The judge said he would not deliver the judgment for several days. Meanwhile, he allowed Gandhi to remain at liberty. He gave what, beta? He left Gandhi on his own liberty. Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazrul Haq, several well-known, prominent, well-known lawyers had arrived from Bihar. They discussed with Gandhi. Conferred means discussed with Gandhi. What would they do if he was sentenced to prison, if he was sent to prison? Gandhiji asked why. The senior lawyers replied they had come to advise him. They have come to advise him. They have come to advise him. Right, beta? And if he went to jail, there would be no one or nobody to whom they can give the advice. And they would go home. The Gandhiji asked, what about the injustice that was been injustice to the sharecroppers? He asked, what will happen to the injustice that has been done to the sharecroppers? The lawyers withdrew. They come to went on a side, withdrew, returned to went back to a side to consult with each other. Rajendra Prasad has recorded that what the discussion, the upshot of their discussion, the theme of their discussion, consultation. They thought among themselves that Gandhi was totally a stranger. That Gandhi was totally a stranger, and still he was ready to go to prison for the sakes of the villagers. If they, on the other hand, being not only being the residents of the nearby adjoining districts, connected districts, but those who also claim, who also say that they serve these peasants should go home, it will be shameful for them. Right, beta? Is it? Upshot means it would be what? What was it? Yes, it would be a shameful. What? Desertion. Desertion here refers to unfaithfulness. Unfaithfulness to whom? To this, towards that villagers. They accordingly went back to Gandhiji. They went back to Gandhiji and told him that now they were ready to follow him to the jail. Battle of Champaran is won. Gandhiji said with surprise, exclaimed. He took a piece of paper and divided the group into pairs and put the order in which each pair was to give the court a rest. See what happens? And then he told them, he made the pair of the lawyers, and then he told them how they have to go to the court and what better and give the court arrest. Is it better? Means they will they want and they will say that they want to get them arrested in opposition of the injustice that has been made to the sharecroppers against the Britishers. This is the process too, is it? It is the process of a protest in a non-violent way. Is it? Gandhiji was the follower of non-violence, ahimsa. Is it better? So that was the way to protest. Now go through it and see. Any doubt, any question, if you have, you can ask me.